Can you convert all these units? If no, then this video is for you. Stay with me till the end of the video and you will be able to learn how to convert these units. I am going to tell you a super easy method to convert all these units. So let's get into the video. Here we have length, mass and volume, and I am going to explain about the length the same way you will be following for mass and volume also. So first let us see, there are total 7 units of length. There are more units but we will be using all these 7 units only. So here kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Meter is the base unit. Same way gram is the base unit for mass and liter is the base unit for volume. On the right hand side of the meter, there are smaller units compared to meter. So each unit is 10 times smaller than the meter, and then centimeter is 100 times smaller than the meter, millimeter is 1000 times smaller than the meter. On your left hand side, the units are greater than the meter. So you have to learn all these 7 units. There are abbreviation used for these units: kilometer, km, hectometer, hm. For decameter it is DAM, for meter m, and for decimeter it should be dm. So don't get confused between DAM and DM. DAM is decameter, DM is decimeter. We have centimeter and millimeter. So to memorize these 7 units, there is a mnemonic: King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And one mnemonic there is in Hindi also: कल हम दोस्त मिले दिल्ली सिटी में. So you just memorize according to this mnemonic all these 7 units and you will learn how to convert. Now let us start. I am going to show you how to convert all these units from big to small unit and small to big unit. Now whenever you have to convert, always write all these 7 units at the top of the sheet. So first we will write kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So 3 units on the left hand side of the meter and the 3 units on the right hand side of the meter. So whenever you have to convert from big unit to small unit, big to small, BSM, big to small, multiply, you will have to multiply the number. And whenever you have to convert from small unit to big unit, you will have to divide as BD. So let me explain with an example. Suppose you have to convert 5 kilometer into decimeter. So kilometer is a bigger unit and decimeter is a smaller unit. You can see here all the 7 units are written. So the very first step is, first write, you have to convert from kilometer to decimeter. Decimeter is DM and decameter is DAM. So now you have to see kilometer to decimeter. Kilometer is a bigger, so you have to convert big to small. So next step is you just write BSM. That means you have to multiply. Now by which number you have to multiply? So you just take a jump from kilometer to hectometer, hectometer to decameter, meter, decimeter. So how many times you are jumping? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So you will multiply 5 kilometer by 4 zeros followed by 1. That means you are multiplying by 10,000 because we are jumping 4 times. So 40 after 1. So if you multiply 5 kilometer by 10,000, you will get 50,000 decimeter. So we have converted 5 kilometer into decimeter and the answer is 50,000 decimeter. Okay, so let me take one more example here. Now we are going to convert 2.3 hectometer. We have to convert hectometer into meter. So hectometer to meter. Hectometer is a bigger unit. You can see all 7 units are written there. Hectometer to meter. So big to small. So big to small we have to multiply. So first of all, always check whether we are converting from big unit to small or small to big. So here we are converting hectometer to meter. So hectometer is a bigger unit. So you are converting big to small. So we are writing BSM. So we have understood we have to multiply 2.3. By which number we should multiply? Just see how many jumps. Kilometer to decameter, decameter to meter. So you are multiplying by 2 zeros followed by 1. That means you are multiplying 2.3 by 100. Now when you multiply 2.3 by 100, a decimal number by 100, the decimal digit will shift to the right hand side 2 times. Because 100 has 2 0. So if you will shift 2 places decimal, you will get 230 meter. So 2.3 hectometer is nothing but 230 meter. If you want me to make a separate video how to multiply a decimal number or divide a decimal number by 10 or the power of 10, you just let me know. I will make a separate video. So 2.3 we have got 230 meter. So what are the steps? First you write from which unit to which unit you have to convert. Then you see from the table whether big to small or small to big. Accordingly you multiply or divide. By which number you have to multiply or divide? Just see how many jumps you are making. That many zero you put followed by 1 and you do multiplication or division. Now let me take one more example here. 329.6 centimeter to meter. Now centimeter is a smaller unit and meter is a bigger unit. You can see in the table centimeter to meter, you are going from right hand side to left hand side and you are jumping 2 steps, centimeter to decimeter and decimeter to meter. So small to big, so SBD. First you write SBD, small to big, that means you have to divide. By which number you will divide? By 100, because centimeter to decimeter, decimeter to meter, 2 jumps. So 2 zeros after 1. So if you divide 329.6 by 100, you have to shift 2 decimal places on your left hand side. So you will get 3.296 meter. So 329.6 centimeter is nothing but 3.296 meter. Just follow these steps and it becomes very easy. Now let me take one more example to get it more clear. Now we have another example. 5 decameter square, we have to convert it into decimeter square. Now here it is a square unit we have to convert. So only one thing you have to remember here. First of all, you just follow the same step. You have to convert decameter to decimeter. Decameter is a bigger unit and decimeter is a smaller unit. So big to small, BSM. So first write BSM. You have to multiply. Now by which number you have to multiply? How many jumps you can see? Decameter to meter, meter to decimeter. You are multiplying by 100. Right? You should multiply by 100. But here it is decameter square. If you would have converted decameter to meter, you would have multiplied by 100. But here you have decameter square, 2 decimeter square. So you will multiply 5 decameter square by 100 into 100 because it is a square. So you are squaring both sides. Decameter square will be meter square. So you are multiplying by 100. So 100 into 100 because it is a square. So 5 decameter square will be 5 into 100 and one more time 100 and it will be decimeter square. So 5 decameter square will become, let me write, 50,000 decimeter square. So the steps are same, only if it is a square you will multiply by that number 2 times or divide by 2 times. Now here we have few questions from the book NCERT, page number 225. Let us see whether we can convert these units or not. Just try. You can pause the video and you can try. See here, 50 centimeter square to millimeter square. First of all, whenever you have to convert, always write all the 7 units in a order. King Henry doesn't mind drinking chocolate milk. और कल हम दोस्त मिले दिल्ली सिटी में. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and in the last millimeter. So now here you have to convert centimeter square into millimeter square. So now see in the table centimeter to millimeter. So you are converting from, centimeter is a bigger unit. So big unit to small unit you are converting. So it is a BSM case, right? So you have understood, you have to multiply. Now by which number you will multiply? You are jumping centimeter to millimeter 1 time. So you will multiply by 10. But here it is a centimeter square. So you will multiply by 10 2 times, like 10 multiply 10. So 50 centimeter square is nothing but 50 multiply 10 multiply 10. So 50 centimeter square will give you 5000 millimeter square. Right? So the first step is find out whether it is a BSM or SBD. Second step, how many jumps you are moving, that many 0 followed by 1. You will multiply or divide. Now let us take the another example. 2 hectare in meter square. Now what is hectare? This is HA is hectare. It is not hectometer. Hectometer is different. Now let me tell you, 1 hectometer. Suppose you have to convert. Hectare is related to hectometer. How it is related? I am going to explain now. See, hectometer to meter. Suppose you have to convert from hectometer to meter. So hectometer is a bigger unit and meter is a smaller unit. So you have to convert big to small. So you will multiply. Now by which number you will multiply? You can see hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter. 2 jumps. So 2 zeros. So you will multiply by 100. So if you have to convert 1 hectometer to meter, it will be 1 into 100. So 100 meter, 1 hectometer square is equals to 100 into 100 meter square when you have to convert square unit. And this 1 hectometer square is equals to 1 hectare. So hectare is a unit of the area unit. This is the unit for the area. So whenever it is a 1 hectometer square, it will equal to 1 hectare. So here we have given 1 hectare is equals to 1 hectometer square. Okay, now if you will convert 2 hectare, so 2 hectare is equals to, now we will write 2 hectare, we have to convert into meter square. You can see 2 hectare in meter square you have to convert. So 2 hectare equals to 2 into 100 into 100, which is equals to 20,000. Actually you are converting 2 hectometer into meter square. So whenever it is a hectometer square, it will be written as hectare. So 2 hectare equals to 20,000 meter square. Now we have next example where we have 10 meter square to centimeter square. So meter to centimeter, that means we are converting from big unit to small. So big to small, BSM. By which we should multiply? Meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter. 2 jumps. That means we will multiply by 100. But here it is a meter square. So we will multiply by 100 into 100. So 10 meter square will be equal to 10 into 100 into 100. So 10 meter square will become 10 lakh meter centimeter square. So it is 1 lakh centimeter square, sorry. So 10 meter square is equals to 1 lakh centimeter square. So you have to just see whether it is a BSM or SBT, how many jumps, and if it is a meter square, if it is a square unit, multiply that by that number 2 times. Now let us take 1000 centimeter square to meter square. Now centimeter square to meter square, you can see centimeter to meter. Centimeter is a smaller unit. So centimeter to decimeter, decimeter to meter. You are going towards your left hand side. Right, so you are dividing here as SBT. If you have to convert small to big, you are dividing. By which number you will divide? It is jumping 2 steps. So you will divide by 100. Because it is a centimeter square, so you will divide by 100 into 100. So 1000 centimeter square, you will divide by 100 into 100 is 10,000. So you can see 3 zeros will get cancelled and we will get 1 by 10 meter square, or 1 by 10 meter square is equals to 0.1 meter square. So we will write 0.1 meter square. Now you can pause the video and try to solve all these units. So let us see, we have to convert 1 meter square to centimeter square. So first write from which unit to which unit you have to convert, meter square to centimeter square. As I told you, always write all 7 units in order first. Whenever in the exam you are just converting, first always write these 7 units: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now see, meter square to centimeter square. So meter to centimeter, meter is a bigger unit, so it is a BSM. You have to multiply. By which number you have to multiply? Meter to decimeter, decimeter to centimeter, 2 jumps. So you will multiply by 100. And because it is a square unit, right, 1 meter square, so you will multiply by 100 into 100. So 1 meter square is nothing but 1 multiply 100 multiply 100, so 10,000 centimeter square. Now again let us take next example, hectare. So 1 hectare is nothing but hectometer square, right? Just now I told you. So first of all, let us convert hectometer square to meter square. Instead of hectare to meter square, first always whenever it is hectare, just come to hectometer first. So it is hectometer square to meter square. So you can see hectometer to meter, it is a big to small conversion. So you will write BSM. How many jumps? Hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter, 2 jumps. So 2 zeros followed by 1. So you are multiplying by 100 into 100 because it is a square unit. So you are multiplying 1 hectometer by 100 into 100, 10,000. So 1 hectometer square is equals to 10,000 meter square. And 1 hectometer square is nothing but 1 hectare. So what is 1 hectare? It is 10,000 meter square. Now let us see 26,400 meter square to hectare. So actually we have to convert meter square to hectometer. Instead of hectare, first you just take hectometer. So you have to convert meter square to hectometer. Now meter square to hectometer, if you can see, meter square to hectometer is a SBD, small to big you are dividing, right? SBD is small to big divide. So meter to decameter, decameter to hectometer. So you will divide by 100, and because it is a square unit, so you will divide by 100 into 100. So here it is 26,400 meter square. So you will divide 26,400 by 100 into 100. You will divide 100 into 100 is 10,000. If you will divide, when you are dividing by the power of 10, only the decimal point shift. When you are dividing, the value gets smaller, so the decimal place will shift to the left hand side. And when you are multiplying, the value gets bigger, so the decimal points will shift to the right hand side. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there in 10,000. So the decimal place will shift on the left hand side 4 places. So it will become 2.6400. 2.6400 hectometer square, and 1 hectometer square is 1 hectare. So 2.6400 hectometer square will be 2.6400 hectare. Hectometer square, just write hectare. So this we have solved it here. Now we have next is 1 decimeter square to centimeter square. Now again you will see in the table decimeter square to centimeter square. So that means you have to convert from decimeter to centimeter. Now decimeter to centimeter is a case of big to small, right? Decimeter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. Now let me rub this and write all these 7 units again. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now here decimeter to centimeter, the first step is, first always write, you have to convert from decimeter square to centimeter square. So decimeter to centimeter is big to small, BSM, big to small, multiply. Now by which number you will multiply? You can see decimeter to centimeter, only a 1 jump. So you are multiplying by 10. But it is decimeter square, so you will multiply by 10 into 10. So 1 decimeter square is equals to 1 multiply 10 multiply 10. So 1 decimeter square is nothing but it is equals to 100 centimeter square. Now next is 1 kilometer square to meter square. Again write, the first step is write from which unit to which unit you have to convert. Kilometer square to meter square. Kilometer is a bigger unit, so it is a case of BSM. You have to multiply. By which number you have to multiply? Kilometer to hectometer, hectometer to decameter, decameter to meter. 3 jumps. So 3 zeros followed by 1. You will multiply by 1000. Because it is kilometer square, so you will multiply by 1000 into 1000. So 1 kilometer square is nothing but 10 lakh meter square. So 1000 into 1000 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. So 10 lakh meter square. Now last we have 1000 centimeter square. So centimeter square to meter square. That is centimeter is a smaller, meter is a bigger. So it is a case of SBD, small to big divide. By which number? You are jumping 2 times, so divide by 100. And because it is a centimeter square, so you will divide by 100 into 100. So let us divide 1000 centimeter square by 100 into 100 is 10,000. So 1000 divided by 10,000, you will cancel these 3 0 and you will get 1 by 10 meter square. And 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1 meter square. So 1000 centimeter square is 0.1 meter square. I hope you all have understood how to convert this. If you like the video, do share, subscribe, and please let me know on which topic you want to see the next video. So thank you for watching.